Привет, guys, welcome to our channel. We do what we do, say hey, come on boy. Anyways, let's check out Russia's top 7 most beautiful Moscow metro stations. These metro stations are in Moscow, so let's check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. We do what we do. Let's go. Wow, that's so narrow, this is like, I think this, of course it's a tunnel, but it wasn't really, really huge. But this is, wow, this is too close. Wait, why is there no warning sign? I don't know how they design their metro stations, but there should be, like warning signs, basically, for example, people who are blind. Where are the signs? Basically, there's no sign that shows. Not bad. I like it actually. The architecture is lit. The arcs, concave, the convex, everything is really lit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think, of course, Russia is, like they have a lot of art, artistic carved buildings, so that's why you see all these arts in, these buildings. Not bad. Wait, I don't know, but I don't know if you can see any warning sign that shows that's basically for the blind. Everything is art, really. It's beautiful. This metro station is really beautiful. Wow, look at the roof. Oh, this is just like Poland, basically, yeah. Wow. Everywhere looks almost the same. Like the semi, circular, what is called arcs, it's everywhere, every metro station. This is Novosibirsk metro station, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Wow. Is this like Central Metro Station or something? Because this is pretty huge. Russia has a large population. Okay, this is Belaruskaya. Sounds like Belarus. Don't tell me there's a metro station on top also. Because, okay, good. Man, it's pretty far. So wait, how do you even get out of this metro station? This is mad. I don't know if Russians, love this arc or semicolon, what's it called, shape with buildings. Wow, marble tops. One thing I've not seen in this metro station, I've not seen warning signs, basically for blind people. Steps where they can, feel to not pass. You know what I'm saying? So I've not seen that. It's just towers everywhere. Towers everywhere, and a huge space in the middle for everybody to pass by. Wow.
О нарушении ваших прав вы можете сообщать как лично, так и почтой. По всем обращениям граждан проводится тщательная проверка с уведомлением заявителя в письменном виде по адресу.
Wait, are all metro stations the same? Because yo, this is mad. Yo, why is the woman feeling, bro? Hey, hey, hey. Wow. Kraporensenkava. Skava. Like, people like this in metro station, they annoy me. Yo, how can you be next to the metro line and then be doing this? Imagine if the girl says, BS to the man. You just gotta push. This is crazy, bro. That's mad. How will you be in the midst of crowd and be doing this, man? Like, come on. Man, get some space, girl. This ain't bad. Everywhere looks the same. I just don't know. If you go to a Moscow metro station without seeing arcs, it's not Moscow. Yo, this woman, bro. What was that? What was that? Let's go back. What? Look at that. Bro, you tripping. This is bloodshot revolved. You see, arcs everywhere. It's just the same. Like, just the same. Literally the same. Same lights everywhere. Same shape everywhere. It is mad. It's just like a museum, you know, like this is beautiful. Wow. Wow. I just want to know where you go out. Really? That's all I'm interested in. How do you get out of this metro station? Oh my god. What a journey, man. What a journey. One metro station. That is huge. That is real huge. Moscow. Oh, this is, I don't know if it's Vladimir Putin's place or something. But anyways, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. We do what we do. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's move. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. We do what we do. So say, come on, boy. Booyah.